Dilidu.
Recently, this river overflowed because of Typhoon Undol, and unfortunately, took many lives. But can we blame this helpless river about the disaster that had happened? Or is it already a wake-up signal for us to be alarmed on the condition of our river? That's why we are raising our voice to be heard by many people, for officials to take the lead of bringing back the life and beauty of Marikina River. For many youths who are the hope of our land, we are encouraging you to move and help save our dead river. Let us do something to start a change. So as ordinary people, these are things that we can do. First, by simple not throwing any garbage on the water. Let us dispose our garbage properly. Small thing but bold make a big difference. Second, let us plant trees on riverbanks to help maintain its beauty. Because of our population, many people live along riverside. And some of these people, if not all, are throwing the garbage to the water, which is the one of the reason why this Marikina River becomes polluted. Plastics, cans, bottles, dead animals, and even dead people were thrown into it, including chemicals from many factories.